A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with a purring sound. D is for drum that makes a boom, boom, pow. Now let's dance, let's wiggle from A to Z. Come along and sing with me. Letters are fun, just wait and see. We're learning the alphabet, 1, 2, 3, me. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog that jumps all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for hat you wear on your head and feet, just kidding. I is for igloo, icy and cool. J is for jelly that wiggles in your school. K is for kite flying up so high. L is for lion with a mighty roar cry. N is for monkey swinging in the tree. N is for noodle slurp with glee. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin dancing with me. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for robot spinning all around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for turtle taking a bite of life. Now let's dance, let's wiggle from A to Z. Come along and sing with me. Letters are fun, just wait and see. We're learning the alphabet, 1, 2, 3, me. U is for umbrella when there's rain. V is for van on the letter train. W is for whale with a giant tail. X marks the treasure, a pirate trail. Y is for yo-yo going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now you know your ABC. Clap your hands and shout yippee! A from A to Z, you did it right. Let's sing again, morning or night. ABC, now you're a star. Learning letters takes you far.